Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is what you guys been waiting for. My bedroom studio room tour. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Barbara. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not, I appreciate you guys so much for coming back again and again. Okay, today is what you guys have been waiting for is my bedroom studio room tour. Now the rest of the house is not done. If you are brand new, I did move to a new location, so that's what I'm yapping about and talking about. So let me just give you like a overview of everything, and then we're gonna go through everything. I am loving this space. If you hear the heater in the background, I apologize. That is a glass wall. I did put curtains up there. I do have my own private entrance. I am going to be turning on another light, but I just wanted you to see it in this light. Alrighty. Let's get started. All right. So, this is 492 square feet, and I'm really happy with the space. This is what I chose as my bedroom. My mom moved in with me, so my mother has the master suite, with the bathroom, and this is my space, and my husband's, I should say. All right, let's get started. So that is the front door. That's my heater. It comes on and off. This was a garage, and it was converted into a living space. So this is what I did. Over here on this ledge, I put these two floral pictures, like with, like leaf design, macrame. Then there's another door here. Let me make this a little bit farther. There you go. I just hung a pretty curtain. These were $4.50 from Walmart, and I just did this little loopy loop on it. Down here, my shoes. This is my shoe rack that I picked up because I had no closets in here. So I had to do what I was able to do, So that is my shoe rack. And then over here is my bookcase. And I put all that on there. My jewelry. And then this is my makeup that I use day to day. There's a mirror. And I did a cute little boho shelf there. And then down there is my eyeshadow palettes. And then over here is my vanity dresser that I use for all of my, face products and hair products. And that's my vanity. This is how I did the curtains. And though I wanted to make the windows look longer and the ceilings taller. And that's how you do it, guys. And then over here is my closet. There's my jewelry rack over here. You guys remember all this from my other place. I still haven't unpacked my jewelry and hung it all up yet, but that's where I keep my socks. So I wanted to keep like my wardrobe and my jewelry, wardrobe, and vanity area, get ready with me. And then my shoes. If you guys want get ready with me's, let me know, because I used to do them all the time. And here's all my jewelry, paparazzi. And I just hung that up there like that. Then over here, I hung all my purses. This holds 810 pounds. Got this from Amazon. Let me step back. Pebbles is like, what are you doing? Isn't that awesome? I got to put all of my boots, all of my winter boots. I put my fabric shelves up here. These are all my dresses, all my jackets. So now I have like a really nice rack to play with when I'm playing dress up with you guys. Okay. Okay. Let me back up. Here is another door. That's my private entrance. Do I use it? No, I take my dog out to go to the bathroom. That's about it. Sorry for the shakiness. And that's a carpet there. Then over here is my white rocker. I did it very boho in here because you guys know I love bohemian. And this is a cute little plant that I hung. And that's my sit-in area. And then over here is another rug. What I did is I put it that way. See if I can show you guys. See? Then over here is where I'm going to be sitting, right next to my chair. This is my big, huge, hi guys. This is my big, huge glass window, glass wall. And then I hung some really pretty curtains on this one. That's all glass, but I wanted to hang some shears from it. You guys can see what I did here. This is where I'm going to be working. I need all this light in front of me so I can like do, product, like when I do product reviews and things like that. And this is my favorite part. Love this. Here's my little poof, another carpet. There's a lot to share, guys. I decided to bring Faith in here. This is Faith. She's for my bathroom. You guys remember him? And then I put my salt lamp there. It's not turned on yet. And then this is Mercy. And if you guys remember, this mirror was on top of my dresser. And I did it like that. Who says that you cannot use a dresser mirror, right? In other locations of your room. Here's a TV area. So that's where I would sit to watch TV. I actually do my yoga and all that in here. Okay, here is the bed. And that's what I did. Oh, my shacket's on the bed. This is for upcoming Walmart haul. And there's Pebbles. Then over here, let me see if I can make this closer. That's what I did on that wall. See that? And I hung my Paris trunks. And that's what I did on this side of this nightstand area. And this is what I did on the bed. That's what I decided to do. Be still and know that I am God. I need that up there all the time to be reminded. And over on this side, my Bible and devotional. The basket down there. This is what I decided to do this time. And then up here it says relax, and I hung a little plant. Then on this wall, I decided to do that. This is so much more boho than any other time I've decorated. And then I put some pillows on a velvet ottoman. That's just my devotional stuff and some clothing that I have to put away. And here is the other window. And then that's the dresser. So instead of dressing it with a mirror, I dressed it with curtains. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. So these are the curtains up close. They're like a coppery, like golden copper color, filigree. And that's what I did. You guys remember I did the same exact thing in my other house. And this is what I liked, so I did it again. Okay, it just looks really good without the mirror. I've always wanted that. Okay, my hubby actually gave me the chest because he wants to use different things now for clothing storage. He doesn't like the chest. So this is, I'm going to step back by the tree and you guys can see it all. Going around slowly. And over here, I did this. Isn't that pretty? That's my favorite part. Favorite part. Okay. And that's my heater. Okay, I'm gonna close the light so you guys can get it a different feel for it. Okay, we're gonna start slow. Sorry if there was any shakiness. I apologize. My camera does that sometimes. I am loving the space. My husband said it looks like a Paris studio. And I have a lot of Paris stuff in here too, like Paris lamps and just Paris accessories. Okay. Let me come over here. You guys can see what I did. All right, guys, that is it. I just wanted to share everything that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. More is coming of my house, but right now this is what is done so far. I am almost done with the living room. I just have a few more things to hang up and, you know, accessorizing to do. I also have a fireplace mantle now, so I'm still deciding how to do that. Dining room is all done besides one wall, so I'm almost done with that. Bathroom is totally done. But yeah, so I'll be doing a house tour when I'm all done. Sorry about this. Isn't this cute though? This is a shacket from Walmart. Love. So yeah, so you guys tell me, what was your favorite in this room? Oh, and these are the new floors. Let me turn this light on. Aren't these floors gorgeous? They're waterproof. There you go. I have a lot of lights, yes. So this is everything. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to do that and you won't miss out any more videos I'm gonna post. I have a lot of Temu coming, Walmart, and more. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to say. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I think I just edited out a video from Walmart. That's coming soon. And then I also just posted a Temu one yesterday. So, or 2 days ago or something like that. Okay. Let me just give you a closer look. And this is a white comforter. I'm gonna link everything in the description box that I can find, or I might just ask you if you want to, you know, if you want any links, let me know. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet about that because there's a lot to link. All right, guys, you have an amazing day. And what do I always say? Keep it real, keep looking up. God has all the answers, and make it a great day. And if life has given you morsels, make some hot cocoa, my friend. Bye for now. Like this video if you like content like this. Bye.